This magnificent country house is for sale. Located in Lynford, Thetford, England, it offers 38 bedrooms and 40 bathrooms. This mid-19th century country house is set within approximately 16 acres of grounds, including formal gardens, woodland, a lake, and a sweeping driveway with ample parking. Previously operated as a hotel, the property includes a large banqueting suite, offering strong potential for events or hospitality use. The asking price of this magnificent country house is £3,500,000. Now requiring full renovation, Lynford Hall presents a significant opportunity to restore and repurpose a substantial historic building with a range of potential uses, set within a well-established private estate. For more information, see the property listing in the description below. Thank you for watching.